Hey guys, let's learn how you can stake Matic token. That's the token for Polygon blockchain, and it is one of the blue chip token. And a lot of projects are being developed there. The prices have gone significantly up in last 1 year. As you can see, it was 32 cent before. Right now, it is at $1.75. Market cap is about 12 billion. The fully diluted market cap is 14 billion. The good thing is that there is a lot of action happening on the Polygon blockchain. A lot of projects are being built. A lot of existing projects are moving to Polygon blockchain. So the future of Polygon looks very bright. Again, this is not an investment advice. I'm just suggesting you based on what is happening in the market. So now when it comes to staking, you have multiple options. You can stake on exchanges. You can also stake on Polygon official website, which is a little complicated. So I'm going to show you three options and you can pick according to your needs. So I'll also highlight like the pros and cons of each. So the very first option is using a centralized exchange like OKX or Binance. Now, one thing which you should know when you go to the staking page, let's say this is the staking page of OKX, right? Once you are there, you can search for Matic staking, and here you will see option. You will get 7.30% when you stake it for 120 days. It sounds very exciting, but one thing which you need to know that if you have a large amount of Matic token, then this might not be the best option. Reason being, when you click on subscribe, you can see the subscription quota is not available. Now, if you go for 90 days, then you can subscribe maximum 15,000 Matic, and the APY decreases to 5.84%. Now let's compare this with Binance staking. So Binance also offer Matic staking, and depending on the days that you want to lock your token for 30 days, for 30 days you get about 4.3%. If you want looking for flexible staking, which is suggested for traders, you get APR of 1.25%. And at the same time, if you go for 90 days, you get about 6.39%. But once you click on subscribe, that's where the reality hits, because the available quota for an individual account is about 300 Matic in the 90 days lock-in period. So if you have a small bag, then yes, you can use this feature. But if you have a large bag, then in that case you can look at Lido.finance, which is one of the most popular liquid staking platform. What it means is when you stake your Matic token, you would get another token called ST-Matic, uh, which you can use on other DeFi platform to generate extra yield. Now, this is not for the beginners, but if you are an advanced user, you can use Lido.finance. You go to the website, they have staking for multiple tokens, including Ethereum, Solana, Polkadot, and Kusama. I've already covered about Ethereum staking earlier using Lido Finance in one of the videos. You can check that out if you're looking to do a deep dive on Lido Finance. But if you're just a beginner, you are better off using OKX or Binance, depending on the number of days. Let's say if you want to stake for 90 days, and if you have a token less than 15,000, then you can use OKX. Whereas on Binance, if you're using 90 days, the token quota is about, let's say, 300 Matic. So depending on the number of token that you have, you should pick the right platform. I'll leave the link of OKX and Binance in the description, and also for the Lido.finance. So let me show you how you can do this on Lido.finance. So once you go to the website, click on stake now against the Polygon. And here the very first thing you would be doing is you'll be connecting it with your wallet. Now when you click on connect wallet, you can connect using, if you're using a mobile wallet, you can use wallet connect feature. If you're using Ledger, you can connect with Ledger. Or if you're using MetaMask or MetaMask with Ledger, you can use MetaMask. Or similarly, you can use any of this wallet that if your wallet supports it. And these days, most of the mobile wallet supports Wallet Connect, so that is one of the easiest option. However, if you are storing for a longer period, I highly recommend you to order a Ledger Nano X, which is a hardware wallet which ensures the maximum safety and security for your crypto tokens. So anyways, in this case, let's use MetaMask. I have to select the wallet that I want to use and then click on next. And so unfortunately, this one is supported only on Ethereum chain, which is a bummer. I was hoping that it works on the Polygon network, but it actually work on the Ethereum network. Now the reason I don't want to use it because I need to move my Matic from Polygon blockchain to Ethereum blockchain, and also I need to I need to pay higher gas fee. So it might be okay to do that for a large sum and when the Ethereum gas fee is low. Otherwise, you're better off using OKX or Binance for now. But if you want me to do a video for this, let me know in the comment section below and I'll show you how to do that. Or you can watch my earlier videos on how to stake Ethereum, which will give you a complete picture of how to use Lido Finance for staking any token. With that, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. This is Harsh from CoinSutra.